In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit funds into Pocket Option using Binance Pay or crypto through Binance. To get started, log into your Pocket Option account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, go to the Finance section and choose Deposit. This is where you'll see the available funding methods. Look for Binance Pay or choose a crypto option such as USDT or BTC, depending on how you want to send your funds. Take a moment here to select the method that matches what you plan to use inside Binance, because using the correct option helps avoid delays or transfer issues. Once you've selected your deposit method, enter the amount you want to deposit. After that, Pocket Option will display the payment details for your transfer. This usually includes a wallet address and in some cases a QR code as well. Carefully copy the wallet address exactly as shown or prepare to scan the QR code from your Binance app. This step is very important because crypto transfers are highly sensitive to even small mistakes. It's always a good idea to double check the address and make sure the coin you selected matches the one you'll send. Next, open the Binance app. If you're using Binance Pay, tap the Pay option. If you're sending crypto directly, go to Withdraw instead. From there, either scan the QR code provided by Pocket Option or paste the wallet address you copied earlier. Binance will then ask you to choose the corresponding network. Make sure the network matches the one expected by the Pocket Option deposit page. This is one of the most important parts of the process, because selecting the wrong network can result in a failed transfer or lost funds. After you've reviewed the address, amount, coin type, and network, go ahead and confirm the transfer. Before you finalize it, take one last look at all the details to make sure everything is correct. Accuracy matters when sending crypto, and a quick review can save you from unnecessary problems. Once the transfer is confirmed, all that's left is to wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain and credited to your Pocket Option account. Depending on the asset and network, this may take a few minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, you can follow the same process anytime you want to fund your account securely using Binance.